Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you this cute beginner friendly crochet bee tutorial. It's really quick and easy, so I hope you'll enjoy it. So we're going to obviously need a yarn. I used this Himalaya Dolphin Baby yarn. We're going to need 3 colors, so I used black, yellow and white. Then we're going to need a 5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, stitch marker, scissors. Then we're gonna need safety eyes. I used the 10mm ones, some stuffing, and lastly a piece of black yarn for the face. We're gonna start with a magic ring. I like to do 1 chain after to kind of secure the magic ring. And now we're gonna put 7 single crochets into the magic ring. So we're gonna have 7 stitches in total. In round 2, we're gonna increase 7 times, which means we're gonna put 2 single crochets into 1 stitch 7 times. So that's 1. Don't forget to put your stitch marker. And now the second one into the same stitch. So that's 1 increase, and we're going to do it 6 more times. So this is how it should look like after 2 rounds. And now in round 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. And then in the second stitch, we're going to increase. So we're going to put 2 single crochets into the second stitch. And we're going to do this 7 times. In the round 4, we're gonna single crochet in each stitch. So we're gonna just single crochet all around, and we're gonna have 21 stitches in total. With the last stitch, it's gonna be a little bit difficult because what I like to do with my last single crochet is that I insert the hook with the yellow yarn, I pull it through, but I don't finish my single crochet with the yellow yarn. So I'm gonna take the black yarn and finish the single crochet with the black yarn. Personally, for me, I like it more this way. You can finish off your single crochet and then just start the next stitch with the black yarn. It's up to you. In round 5, we're gonna single crochet it all around once again, but only with the black yarn now. And what I like to do is I'm gonna take both of the black and yellow yarn ends, and I'm gonna, as I'm crocheting, I'm gonna put them inside so it's secured. You don't have to crochet the whole round like this. You can just crochet like 6 or 7 stitches with the ends inside, and then you can continue normally. I also like to do a knot with the ends, or a double knot, or you can do triple knot if you want, so that you're 100% sure that it's really secured. Now we're gonna change back to the yellow yarn, so we're gonna do the same thing as we did before. Once again, in round 6, we're gonna single crochet it all around in yellow color. Now we're gonna do one more black round, so we're gonna switch back to black color. And again, we're gonna single crochet it all around. Okay, so I promise you this is gonna be the last color change, so we're gonna change it back to yellow. Now we're gonna head to our last 2 rounds without decreasing. So we're gonna single crochet it into every stitch for the round 8 and 9. We can also cut off the black yarn because we're not gonna use it anymore. So now it should look like this, and we can make a knot again with the ends, so it's really secured. Now we can add the safety eyes. I used the 10mm ones, and make sure to keep the part where we change the color / the ugly part at the bottom. We're gonna place the eyes between round number 3 and round number 4, and we're gonna place them around 6 inches apart. Now we can continue crocheting round number 10, and in this round we're gonna single crochet into the first stitch. So that's 1 single crochet, and now we're gonna do 1 decrease. So we're gonna single crochet 2 stitches into 1. So that's the first one, and we're not gonna finish it. We're gonna go into the second one and pull through. So that's a decrease, and we're gonna do this 7 times. So again, 1 single crochet and then 1 decrease. Now we can stuff the bee. Make sure to not overstuff it or understuff it. Round number 11 is gonna be our last round, and we're gonna decrease all around. You should have 7 stitches in total. Now we can cut off the yarn. Now you can take your crochet hook and pull out the yarn. And now we're gonna need our yarn needle and sew closed. You're gonna put the needle into every stitch, and then at the end you're just gonna pull it and make a knot. So far our bee should look like this, and we can move to the wings. So as for the wings, we're gonna start again with the magic ring, and we're gonna make 2 of these, and we're gonna make again a chain after to secure it, and then in the first round we're gonna single crochet 7 stitches. And now in round 2 we're gonna increase all around, so we're gonna have 14 stitches in total, and it's gonna be our last round. Now you can cut off the yarn and make a slip knot. You can do the slip knot firstly and then cut off the yarn, but I forgot, so I did it the other way. So we're gonna do the slip knot and then just pull the yarn. Now you can repeat those 2 rounds and make another wing, and then we're gonna sew it on the body. So now that we have 2 wings, we're gonna take the beginning yarn and we have to place it next to the end. Now we can sew the wings on the body. So our rings are done, and now for those who want, you can add a little smile, but it's up to you. You can have your bee without the smile, but I think that it's way more cute. So that's it, your bee is finally ready. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments what other colors did you use to make this bee. Bye!